What's up, guys? Just wanted to do a quick trade recap on Tesla. So what did I see? Obviously, we had that Tesla put flow coming in, all sorts of strikes, but again, flow can only tell you so much, so you always have to look at your charts. So what I saw that there was a 217 rejection, 216.9 rejection on the 5 minute. So once I saw that, you can also see that this trend line, it looks like a tiny mini bear flag, but rejected this trend line as well. We did see the DXY start to push up. We saw ES starting to drop lower, and same with QQQ, could not break above that 262.11 mini resistance. And now our first target was 215.69, and look at it now. Now we are breaking below 215. This thing, if it breaks around 214, 210 is next. So that was a pretty cool trade from Tesla. Hope you guys played it, and let's get the next one. Thanks.